Just put a bit of toothpaste in the salt and say goodbye to this problem. First, grab a bowl and pour a good amount of salt in there. The salt is that coarse scrubbing friend we all need, getting right into the tough spots. Then take an equal amount of toothpaste and squeeze it right there. It's got the magic to remove those yellowy stains and make things shine. This is a trick not many know, but those who do never look back. Now we are about to make this mixture even better. Add a generous amount of powder detergent. This powder is that extra superhero, ready to battle the greasiest grime you've got. Let me know where are you watching this from today. So I give you a shout out in my next upload. Today's shout out goes to Vicky from North Carolina. Thanks for tuning in. Apply the mix straight onto your tiles, grout, or even the toilet. The salt's rough enough to lift away the grime, while the toothpaste leaves everything smelling minty fresh and looking sparkling new. You can already see it working, right? That mix is dissolving away all the yuck. Go ahead and rinse everything down with water. There you have it. All it took was salt, toothpaste, and a few drops of dish soap to do what all those overpriced cleaners promise but never deliver.